Okay, I'll show you how to correct it. So we have, you see here, 18 seconds. This is like something is wrong with this one, so you go to edit. Okay, it's a file that was uploaded in the past in error without description. Okay, so again, what you're doing in this one, when you do make an error like this, you go back to the file and okay, you click edit and you go here, pick up another one and you go only okay, let's see, take 23. Okay, 22, I'm sorry. Okay, you open it up, copy, close, close. You go here, you put it here, you change it here, you put this, and you change it, put the tag, you put out money, loans, lenders, commercial. Okay, long, that seems to be right. When you do is save it, you must save it. Okay, that's the end of it.